All right, guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about how to claim Nodepay airdrop. All right, so claiming Nodepay airdrop could be a little bit confusing, and a lot of people find it very difficult to even connect their wallet, or more of getting to understand the mechanics behind how to actually claim their own Nodepay airdrop correctly. So right now on this video, watch out. I'll be making it very snappy, and I'll be clearing you on what you need to understand before you can be able to claim your Nodepay airdrop correctly. So today, guys, Nodepay this is of course Nodepay X account. So today they announced that the Nodepay claim is now live, and over here right now they actually provided OKX as the withdrawal option right now. But everybody around the world has the option of claiming through on-chain, that is through wallet. But the question right now is why you have not been able to even connect or access the Nodepay claim website to more of claiming. So right now we are going to be making it very easy and sharp on this video. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I help you resolve all your crypto related problems, and of course I help you go through many airdrop that will pay you massively. So right here, guys, on this video, watch out, as I'm going to be showing you what you need to do in order for you to claim your Nodepay airdrop correctly. So to start with, we are actually giving out tone to our video viewers. So if you're watching our video right now, you can go ahead and subscribe and like this video right now to actually join our tone giveaway campaign. So we actually select winners from the comment section, so make sure your comment is on the comment section so that you can be selected as the winner. And of course we announce our winner on our Telegram channel. So right now, guys, let's continue with the video. So over here, guys, this is our Telegram channel, and over here, guys, I've already dropped the website where you can actually claim your Nodepay airdrop. So right here, guys, what you need to do is very simple. Simply do not click on the link, just copy the link like this. Once you copy the link, remember that there is actually a website, that a browser that you are using to actually farm the Nodepay airdrop. That is the browser that you are going to be using. If you use a different browser, you are not going to be able to do this correctly. You might find it very difficult. But if you are using the same browser that you are using to actually farm your Nodepay airdrop, then you can do this correctly. So I have a browser that I've set up just for this tutorial purpose, right? I didn't really take Nodepay airdrop very serious, so my allocation wasn't really interesting, but I will still show you guys the example on how to claim it for the people that actually got a bigger allocation. So the first thing is simply go ahead and paste the link right here, guys. I'm actually using Mrs. browser for my Nodepay farming, but I didn't take it very serious as I'm supposed to take it, because a lot of things occurred actually. So over here, guys, the website is going to be opening up real quick, and over here, this is the website where you are going to be claiming your token. But before you go ahead and connect your website, I need you to make sure that you have your Nodepay extension on this website. For example, this is my Nodepay extension right here, and you also have your Phantom wallet extension also installed on this website, because if you do not have this installed, it can be a little bit confusing or frustrating. But I already have it installed, so I'm going to be proceeding. So the first thing is for me to go ahead and of course click on connect wallet. You can see these are going to be detecting a list of wallets available. All these wallets right here are the wallet extension that I already have. But if you are using a normal wallet for the Nodepay airdrop, then this might be a little bit confusing, because you're going to need to click on more options. Once you click on more options, then you are going to be seeing wallet connect. Once you click on wallet connect, then it is going to be providing you list of the wallets available on your device. Now you have to choose the one that you use. So if you used a mobile wallet to actually make your connection, that is if you didn't use the extension, then you go ahead and select the wallet right here, then proceed with the connection. So but on my own lane, I actually use the wallet extension of Solana. So right now I will go ahead and click on connect wallet, then I will select Phantom. So this is gonna be loading up real quick, and my wallet will be connected instantly without any delay. So follow the process that I'm showing you right now so that you can claim your own successfully. So right now, guys, you can see you have about 47 days to actually claim your Nodepay airdrop, else you are going to be losing it. So right now, guys, shame enough, I got only 4.4 Nodepay. So I don't know why they actually give me something so stupid like that. So but I'm still gonna be showing you guys the example that I need to show you guys. So you know, normally we all are human, and we are not going to be able to cover up on all airdrop, because there are hundreds of airdrop that we are in. Okay, so I didn't really do well on Nodepay, my bad, but I believe I will do well on other ones. So right here, guys, you can see these are the list of things we have. actually two methods. We have the on-chain claim and we have the off-chain claim. Listen closely, let me now explain it. If you are using this on-chain claim, then you are going to be required to pay a gas fee. But if you are using this off-chain claim, that is to claim to any exchange of your choice, then you are not going to be paying a gas fee to get your token to where it's supposed to be. So first of all, let me now explain using this on-chain. When I click on on-chain, so right here guys, that is on on-chain, then you can see you need to have a certain amount of SOL on your wallet that you connected before you can even proceed with claiming on-chain. So if you want to claim through on-chain, that is if you want to claim it into your wallet, then you need to have some Solana, because you are going to be using the Solana to pay the gas fee before you can actually claim your token into your wallet. But if you look over here right now, we have this locked token right here. So this locked token actually signifies that the token is not yet free for you to move around, but this is what you need to actually put in place, because the on-chain claim is not yet live, as they told us right here. Okay, so all right, now we go to the off-chain claim, which is claiming to SEX. But there's actually one problem right here about claiming this to our centralized exchanges. So the problem right here is that the only available exchange right now is only OKX, and if you are in Nigeria, there's actually a geographical policy that actually prohibits OKX exchange in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, then I would strongly advise that you wait until the on-chain claim is live so that you can claim, or you can then wait to see if they are going to be adding another exchange like bitget, because bitget has already announced that they will also take part on the listing of Nodepay. So I'm expecting them to add more exchanges towards for people to actually make use of, because OKX is clearly not available in all over the world. Okay, so right guys, you can see if you do not have an OKX account, you can sign up on it, but because you are in a country like Nigeria, you may not be able to sign up an account or to get a really working account that you can use to serve this purpose. So, but if you are in a country where OKX is available, then what you need to do here is very simple. Just go ahead and get your OKX Solana deposit address and put it right here. Then you go ahead again and get your OKX UID and then put it right here. So after that, guys, then you come down, you click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, then your Nodepay is going to be sent into your own exchange accounts at the right time of distribution. So it is very easy. So if you have any question, you can then scroll down right here. You're gonna see some question is, how can I claim my Nodepay? How can you do this? How can you do that? And of course, you get your answers straight away. So this is a simple process that you need to take before you can be able to claim your Nodepay airdrop. And remember to be participating very well on all the airdrop that we share right here, because we make our research before we give you guys more airdrop to any airdrop to join into. So thank you for watching. I believe you got a value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to you ASAP. And do not forget to join us on Telegram, where we give you guys information before any other person does. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay blessed, and I will talk to you guys very soon about any updates that I need to share. Thank you, and of course, do have a lovely day.